We're going to stitch the beanie seams. Start along the bottom where the feet are positioned. Line up the edge of the felt with the edge of the presser foot. This will give you a seam allowance of about 1/2 centimetre. Begin slowly stitching 2 or 3 stitches and then reverse back. This will secure the stitching at the edge. Continue along the bottom until you reach the corner. Once you reach the corner, with the machine needle down, lift up the presser foot and turn the felt. Continue to stitch, but remember you're leaving a 3 centimetre gap about halfway down this edge. Keep the edge of the presser foot along the edge of the felt, and when you reach the marking for the gap, stop and reverse back a few stitches. Lift the needle, lift the presser foot, and then pull out your work to the side. Remember to cut the thread away from the machine needle. Leaving the 3 centimetre gap, continue to machine to the top of the beanie, reversing at the start and the finish to secure the threads. Remove the felt and again remember to cut the threads away from the sewing machine. The felt is quite a thick fabric and quite bulky when you try to turn it through, so carefully snip off the corners, but don't snip your machine stitching. This will reduce the bulk when you turn the beanie inside out. To create the shape of the beanie, fold the top of the beanie the opposite direction. Place 2 or 3 pins along the top edge. Tack securely across the top. Machine carefully across the top. Be careful because the felt can be quite bulky and difficult to sew. Remember, a few reverse stitches at the start and the end will help secure the machine stitching. Remove the tacking stitches.